My blessings crew, welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Marcia Lifestyle and I'm back with another video. And remember, with God everything is possible. And guys, remember to show me some love over here. Continue to show me some love over here by liking, sharing and subscribing. So today guys, we had some Korean snacks here which we are going to try, me and my grandson, and we're gonna tell you what they tasted like, or if they taste good or bad or in between or whatever it tastes like in America or Jamaica where we're from, and all of that. So the first one we're gonna taste is which one?
I'm gonna try the jellies.
You had which flavor? The lemon flavor?
Apple. Green apple.
And I have which one?
Orange.
This is the orange one. Touch it guys. Touch it, boy. This is a flavor.
It kind of tastes like these little jelly cups that we have in
Okay, from
Jamaica
there.
and around Europe.
We didn't get one already.
Tastes like shit.
Just suck it out.
Jersey.
Turn it to Chris, so can turn it to me. Make a list. I don't know what
But
it
me I
tastes
see it
like.
only.
Let me help
You
you.
more.
Oh my God. I don't want it much bigger.
You're not gonna finish it? I'll drink it. It
What taste?
tastes like, it just tastes like the Jamaican jelly, the little Jamaican jelly cup that look like gumdrops.
Yeah, let me taste the pineapple one.
I forgot to let you taste the green apple.
I and JR forget one man.
This is
Make it blast
apple.
up.
Come on, just fully open it.
Yeah, mommy have to go do a nice video, make it blast up.
Come on, just
guys,
fully open it.
This is a pineapple flavor, and it tastes much better than the other one that I was tasting. But he liked it.
Personally, I don't really know how I feel about the pineapple. It's not
And they
bad,
say
but
two only they see the camera and off it turn on time.
If they're right, you know. But he liked it, guys, because
I don't know
a kid,
how I feel
so-
about the pineapple flavor, but it's not too bad.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let's move on to these chips. But
Yeah.
this one look like a rice crispy.
Crispy treat.
Yeah, crispy treat to me.
That has like a waffly flavor. Not mine. This one tastes like the Jamaican stuff. I don't know what. Let me try yours.
It tastes like coffee, guys.
That's a coffee one.
Let me taste this now.
You didn't taste it yet? This one tastes like a Jamaican snack to me.
It tastes like a granola bar. It tastes good, guys.
No, Grandma, this tastes like a Jamaican snack. I don't know what yet, but it tastes like a Jamaican snack.
Okay, let's move along. So we have some more French pies.
Yeah, this is strawberry and this is apple.
So I'm gonna try the strawberry. He's gonna do the apple.
I want to try strawberry.
This is it, guys.
One on them.
Strawberry.
It's here. There's a point right here. Pies.
So this is a soft bread like with the thing in the middle. So.
And this is
Oh
really
my
soft.
gosh.
It should have been refrigerated. It's good. But I can't get mine out of the packaging.
Not to me. This tastes like a apple pie. And it's trashy.
I like the bread better than the filling.
It is here. I don't like it, guys. Oh my god. Whoa.
Just like this tastes. Why do it all taste like another Jamaican snack to me?
Press the damn thing. Press and mess it up, man.
This is one with two.
two.
This is one with two things. So it said white M. This is it, the package, guys.
They're cakes. They're like biscuit cakes. Grandma, take the whole thing. They're like cream biscuit cakes. Cream vanilla biscuit cakes.
This tastes nice. This one is eatable, guys. Tastes good. This one is good.
Here's like the Pop Rocks that JR bought me from, I don't remember what store. It was a long time ago, like the last time I came.
Oh my god. Going down. This is what?
These are you don't finish it.
I don't know what this is,
You
guys.
see?
We're gonna taste it. It's a coconut thing,
Yeah.
guys.
Let me translate it.
We're not gonna taste everything, guys.
That's coconut. Yeah. Wait, let me see. Let me see. That's coconut. Does it taste like coconut?
Tastes
Where do you
good.
see coconut?
Tastes-
That says coquette.
Tastes good.
Come on, that says coquette.
It tastes good, man.
It tastes like
A coconut maybe not for them. Look, it tastes like coconut. Taste it.
I don't like coconut, so I ain't tasting it. I'm looking it up.
This is the same thing, but it's a different flavor.
Yep, it's just coquette.
This is a different flavor.
That just says coquette. It probably just has a.
It tastes good.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like some crispy cookies, some nice cookies that I eaten before. That's what it tastes like.
I want to get onto the chips. These are topoki. They're like rice, but in a dried form.
Rice cakes.
They have a sweet and spicy flavor.
This is it, guys.
If y'all have ever heard of topoki, you normally boil it in like a ramen form. It tastes really good.
It tastes good, guys. See lean there.
It tastes like something that I've tried to make a too.
Straighten that for me.
And click the screen.
It have a
The screen already, man.
it have a pepper flavor.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it with some ice.
You can't just tell them. So this is
Apple juice.
apple juice. So we're
I
trying
got
it
some
together.
ice.
It's one came in the box, so we're trying it together.
Won't you try everything already?
No? See? Oh, this is.
It tastes good, guys, and not that sweet.
No, me cut this side of alcohol.
Yeah, it is wild apples, by the way. It's not that sweet though.
So what is this?
Oh,
I
me want
haven't
this at
tried
the
apple
done
juice.
here. I remember me
This is
catch you.
annoying. You can try it with. Let's try it. You want to try it by itself and then try it with one of the snacks? It's meant to be eaten with stuff. This is seaweed.
Oh, it's a seaweed. So what I say, this is nori, guys, and here is one that pulled already. Wanna try it together. It's a seaweed.
We're gonna try it by itself and then try it with a snack.
What it taste?
I eat it before because I buy it all the time.
It's a fishy flavor. Let's try with. No, we're
It
gonna
tastes
try
pea side.
It's like sardine.
Pea side more, you know. It tastes good, yeah. You good.
It tastes like sardine.
You find rendering.
I don't like red bean. I'm only taking one piece because I'm not the biggest fan of nori.
It's healthy.
It
Very
tastes
healthy.
good.
It tastes good.
Very healthy for you to eat.
Buy another one.
I eat it with like brown soup chicken, but I can't eat it by itself like that.
Tastes good. Yeah, different flavor.
It can have different flavors if you. They have different types of it.
I just say it tastes like seaweed.
Come on, there are different flavors of it though. I've seen them in the store.
This is one flavor all the time.
So this is another snack. I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna try it too.
It is it says it's like Lily or something, but it's like the topoki, but a different brand and it's sweeter and not
But
spicy.
remember, guys, they're all Korean snack and sweets and candies.
Oh yeah, I put some things in the fridge. Let me go and get that because those are the things I'm gonna try next.
This is actually good, guys. I don't know what it is, but they actually taste good.
Those come in individual sticks, but because they're melted, Grandma, you can't break it off. The chocolate has melted everything in together. So only the that chocolate pretzels, I don't really know what to tell you. It tastes really good. And most of y'all have probably tried it before. Because in some places in America, but this is like a Korean version of it. Just a little less sweet. And a little bit more savory and umami. It's really good though.
So these are some little side little pop cookies that they had here.
They're coffee cookies.
I don't know what they
Those are mooncakes. Those are coffee cookies.
You said these are mooncakes, guys.
Here's some more.
So let me try one. See. It's not crunchy, it's just soft, but it tastes good.
Hey, Grandma. Come on. All the mooncakes are the same.
So this is a
You just try to stuff without me.
peanut sun cake.
What do you just try without me?
Why
Why are you trying stuff without me? I'm going to get water for 1 second. So, let me get my opinion on the mooncakes.
So I'm not going to really taste everything that leave, only something that you look unusual to me. So I have this Sando cherry biscuit, so I'm gonna taste it. Oh, boy, nasty. All of the place roll that up. Like them stuff here now. You gone with the scissors, Ramon? I'm try a few with me now. So guys, I'm gonna taste this Sando biscuit. I don't know the flavor of it or what it tasted like, but I'm gonna try it. Very crispy. Strawberry flavor is strong. It tastes nice. I really like the flavor of this one. Very tasty. This one looks like coffee, something with coffee. So I'm gonna try this one. Anything with coffee, guys, I love it. But with peanut, I don't. This one looks crispy. It's not sweet, it's just barely have a little sugary taste. So guys, I already tasted this. I already tasted this. This is so good. I would say anybody can try this one. It is tasty, really tastes good. You know, and I also get some face masks. They send face masks in it. I got 3 face masks. Yeah, that's so good because I use them. I already eaten the seaweed. I already drink the juice. They're so good. And I tried other snacks already. I don't know what this one's saying, but I think I'm going to try it. Some sandwich biscuit. Which one tastes good, guys? It have a lemon flavor. The cream inside is not that sweet. This is one of my favorite. Put it over there. I have no sign about the language, whatever I said, but it's So this is another cookie, guys. I'm gonna try it. Looking good. Interesting. It said crown. This have a little peanut and coffee taste to it. My taste. I don't know about anybody taste. This is good also. So this is some French coffee, guys. I don't know if it's supposed to mix or taste the same way, but I'm just gonna taste the flavor of it. You know, it's a French cafe, mild. I have 2, 3. This is the cocoa flavor. Watching the videos to the end. There's no way I'll get my watch hours, so I need the watch hours, guys. So we're supposed to get 4,000 watch hours to qualify for the YouTube program and 1,000 subscribers. I overpass 1,000 subscribers. But I want you guys to help me build to 2,000, then 3, then 4, then 5. But I know it's not gonna come overnight. So guys, one cocoa full basket, as Jamaicans said, that means one by one I will reach there. So guys, if you love my content and you like to see me do more of this content, just put it below there in the comment section. Say yes, Marcia, do more of this content. We'll watch because we love to see different things from different places. And who doesn't want to see different things from different places? Yes, some people have been there, some can't afford to go there. So some people will watch our YouTube channel and see different things, because that's what the channel are for. You know, to promote different things, to let people see the world, to see different things. I want to help you guys to see the world, because that's my goal of that. I want to show you a lot. These seaweed are so tasty and they're spicy, so that's what make it different from the ones that I bought here. It tastes like sardine, guys. It tastes like fish. So nice. And they fill with iodine, calcium and all of that. Good for your body. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm asking you to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be able to grow, because without you guys there's no me. Me alone can't do it, you know. It's you guys out there that love our channel or like our channel, you know, and you would like to see us grow, that you can see more, because I want to show you guys more. I want to explore and show you guys a lot more, you know. But because without your help, guys, I can't really move around and do what I want to do to show you guys. Sorry, that to keep my channel rolling, you know, to keep the channel rolling, I gotta find something to do. I'm not a big talker, guys, but I'll find something. I'll try and find something. Yes. I'd recommend you guys to get the seaweed. The seaweed is nice. Very good. Came with 2. I ate one already. This is my second one. I'm closing off the video with eating the second one because it is so good. I don't want to eat it with anything. Eat just like this. Very nice. The rest is not sweet. It just have a little salt on it and a little spice. So it's well tasty. There we go. So bless up on the side of my blessing screw. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful and blessed day. And thank you for stopping by and watching my video. And see you in the next video, guys. Love you so much, guys. My blessing screw family. See you in my next video. Peace out, my blessing screw. Peace.